Hello and welcome to another healthy cooking episode. Today I will be sharing a recipe for these delicious pistachio cookies, which as always are plant-based and free from sugar, flour and oil. They are super easy to make and require just a handful of wholesome ingredients. First, we have two very ripe bananas. It's best if they have plenty of brown spots for maximum natural sweetness and the perfect consistency, as they also work as our binder to hold everything together. Next, a tablespoon of cocoa powder. This adds a touch of rich, chocolatey flavor which pairs beautifully with the nutty taste of pistachios. Half a cup of unsalted pistachios is the star of this recipe. Not only do they add a unique creamy texture, but they are also packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. To boost the nutrients and add a bit of crunch, we'll use half a cup of toasted sunflower and pumpkin seeds. These seeds are great sources of essential minerals and healthy fats. For a bit of lightness, I'm adding 1 cup of puffed grain, which balances the density. If you're looking for a gluten-free option, feel free to swap this with other nuts, dried berries, or extra seeds for variety. And lastly, a sprinkle of chunky salt to enhance and bring out all those natural flavors. In case you're using salted pistachios, you can skip this one. Begin by toasting the seeds in a dry pan. Bring the pan to medium heat, then add the sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Toasting will enhance their flavors and give them a nice crunch. You'll only need a couple of minutes, watch for them to turn slightly brown. Once toasted, transfer the seeds to a plate to cool down. Now let's make the binding mixture. I'm using a blender for this part. First, peel and add the bananas to the blender. Even if they are brown on the outside, they'll be perfectly fine and sweet on the inside. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, then blend for a few minutes until you get a smooth, chocolatey mixture like this. Next, take a mixing bowl and transfer the binding mixture into it. Add in the pistachios, toasted seeds, and puffed grain. Stir everything well until the ingredients are evenly coated. Line your baking tray with a silicone mat or parchment paper. I'm using a 7 cm form to shape the cookies. Usually 1 tablespoon of the mixture is enough for each one. The thinner they are, the crunchier they will get. Finally, sprinkle a little chunky salt on top of each cookie to bring out the flavors. When you're done, bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once baked, let the cookies cool down and then you are in for a delicious treat. You will get crunchy, perfectly balanced pistachio cookies with a hint of chocolate and just the right amount of saltiness. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.